How does a high-yield savings account work? A high-yield savings account sounds simple, almost too simple. You put money in, the bank pays you more interest, and your savings grow faster than they would in a traditional account. That part is true. But the part that catches people off guard is that the higher yield does not always mean better in every situation. The real difference is not just the rate itself, it is how the money grows, how often the rate can change, and what happens when you actually need to use that cash. That is where this gets more interesting than most people expect. What is a high-yield savings account? A high-yield savings account is a savings account that usually pays a higher annual percentage yield, often called APY, than a standard savings account. It is still meant for saving, not daily spending, and it is commonly used for emergency funds, short-term goals, or cash you want to keep accessible. The reason it can pay more is often tied to how the bank is set up. Many online banks have lower overhead, so they may pass some of that advantage on through better rates. That does not make it magic. It just means the account is designed to reward par cash a little more efficient. This is general info, not financial or legal advice. How does the money actually grow? The basic idea is easy. The bank pays interest on your balance, and over time that interest adds to your savings. What makes a bigger difference than people think is compounding. That means you start earning interest not only on the money you deposited, but also on the interest already added. This is why the account can feel slow at first and then more noticeable later. The growth is usually not dramatic overnight, but it becomes more meaningful when the balance stays consistent and the money is left alone. The APY helps you compare accounts because it reflects interest over a year with compounding included. That sounds straightforward, but there is one catch many people miss until later, where people use it the wrong way.
A high-yield savings account works best when the money has a clear job. It is strong for an emergency fund, planned expenses, or cash you want to protect from being spent impulsively.
It is usually weaker as a place for everyday transactions. One common mistake is treating it like a checking account with a bonus rate. Another is chasing the highest number without looking at how easy the account is to use, how fast transfers happen, or whether the rate is variable. If the rate drops, the account still works the same way, but the advantage may feel smaller than expected. So the account is useful, but only when the purpose matches the tool. What nobody mentions early enough. The detail people often skip is that a high-yield savings account is really about cash positioning, not wealth building by itself. It can help your money work harder while staying relatively accessible, but it is not usually meant to outperform long-term investing. That matters because expectations shape whether the account feels smart or disappointing. If you expect it to behave like an investment account, it may seem underwhelming. If you use it for stability, flexibility, and short-term savings, it often makes much more sense. And that brings us back to the question from the start. Why can the same money feel so different in one account versus another? Because the real value is not just the rate, it is the mix of yield, access, and purpose. The real answer. So, how does a high-yield savings account work? It works by paying a higher rate of interest on your savings, usually with compounding, so your cash can grow faster than it would in a traditional savings account. The bank holds your money, adds interest over time, and gives you a better place to keep funds that need to stay available. The smarter takeaway is that the account works best when you stop thinking only about the headline rate. What really matters is whether it fits the role your money needs to play.
If you use it for the right reason, a high-yield savings account can be simple, useful, and quietly powerful.
If you enjoyed the video, hit like and I'll leave a video on screen that may be of interest to you. You can click it to watch. See you next time.